to Resources with Marie, and I am your host, Marie. Today's job opportunity comes from, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, especially if you're just coming by the first time. We do work from home opportunities. We have 100 plus work opportunities. To all my new subscribers, thank you for becoming a part of the community. To all my oldies but goodies, my pre-existing subscribers, thank you so much for always leaving positive feedback, for hitting the thumbs up. The thumbs up just lets me know that you guys want me to continue to do work from home opportunities. Thank you so much. And now let's go into our work from home opportunity for today is from Dunkin Donuts. Yes, most of us love our Dunkin Donuts coffee or our donuts or our breakfasts from there. So unfortunately, they closed Dunkin Donuts here. So sad. I loved Dunkin Donuts, but unfortunately they closed. But we have today a franchise business consultant, and it's remote from New Jersey. From Trenton, New Jersey. As you can see, it says remote. So let's go down. Functions as a business consultant for assigned franchise with responsibility for driving the franchise's business in area sales of profitability and organizational growth through focusing on guest experience, through system implementation and operation compliance with team and facilities that uphold brand standards. Simply put, business consultant would assist their franchise in growing the Dunkin' brand. Responsibility: drive operation performance for every franchise restaurant by providing support and operational expertise. Minimum full day with each franchise organization every quarter. Follow up on outstanding issues with franchise. Consult for operation improvement in underperforming and failing restaurants. Assess improvement in underperforming restaurants and failing restaurants. Conduct a business plan using the approved standard template annual with assigned franchises and their operators. Align on goals and commitment that will drive the business in sales and profitability. Conduct mid-year follow-up business plan and franchise and key team involved supporting departments as needed to provide input and consultation. Drive franchise restaurant growth and revitalization. Assist franchises in understanding the process for remodeling and building new restaurant. Work closely with the construction team and franchise to ensure all projects stay on schedule. Follow up to ensure the completed facility meet requirement operations specifications. Support franchise during all remodels and new store openings. Actively participate in marketing initiatives and calendars. Provide relevant data on DMA operation performance, updates on operation initiatives and new product rollouts. Provide support to all LTO, product tests, and other marketing initiatives. Partner with field learning team to coordinate training support to franchise to impact network and restaurant performance. Timely completion of administrative functions and requirements of position. Ensure the effective use of G&A expenses and expenditures are within AOP guidelines. Other duties as observed, necessary, or assigned. Education and expertise: 4 years bachelor's degree, business or related field preferred. Required minimum 7 years. Progressive supervisory, franchise management, or district level multi-unit operations. Require knowledge, skills, and ability to work independently and minimal supervision. Ability to travel as needed. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Professional business acumen. Must be able to build credibility and trusting relationships. Strong understanding of relevant business software and supporting hardware. Good oral, written, and interpersonal skills. Strong organization and planning skills. Analytical and problem-solving skills. Ability to influence and persuade. Sound business judgment and decision-making skills. Expected salary: $89,200 to $133,800. The salary range above represents the low and the high end salary range for this position. Actual placement within this range will vary based on various factors, including but not limited to experience, education, training, and location. So if you like that whole So if you studied business, right? If you have a business bachelor's degree, this is a good opportunity, but do have in mind, it does say remote. It doesn't say anything about giving equipment. It does say that you have to travel. So have that in mind. Ability to travel as needed. Have that in mind that you're going to have to travel. It doesn't say how many times, but it does say that you will need to travel. Also, it's not asking us to have a particular room in our house that is designed just to have this office space. It's not telling us about a sign-on bonus. It's not telling us that it's going to give us a compensation for to set up an office space. It's not giving us equipment. It's not really giving us much but the pay. But it is remote. As you can see up here, it says remote. And here it says remote really big too. So it is a remote job. So if you like this whole setting up business, I know some people are very passionate about setting up a new business and watching it grow. So if that's the type of thing that you like, this might be an excellent job opportunity for you. It gives you the pay what you can expect. So I think this is a good job opportunity with Dunkin' Donuts. Let's hit the apply and see where it takes us. Also, this application is pretty extensive, guys. So do have in mind that you will need a little bit of time to fill it out. You can sign in through LinkedIn, Dropbox, Cloud, or upload your resume. Fill all this out. Go to next. You know you will have experience, application questions, and voluntary disclosure, as well as review. So it takes some time. So do have that in mind, guys, okay? So this is a job opportunity we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please go on and subscribe, guys, and be a part of the community. Thank you to everyone that continuously watches and hits a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on TikTok at Resources with Marie, Instagram at Resources with Marie, and I will leave the Facebook group link down below. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.